You might have seen the STNDRD App, formerly the C-Bum Fitness app linked to pro bodybuilder Chris Bumstead, pop up in fitness circles and wondered, is it a legitimate workout app worth using or a scam? Let's cut to the facts. The STNDRD App is a real fitness application on official stores with thousands of user ratings and overall high average score of around 4.6 stars. It offers structured workout programs, nutrition tracking, and community features. Security evaluations also show the related website isn't flagged as a scam, but because the domain is relatively new and hides owner info, some caution is still advised. User reviews are mixed but informative. Many find the workouts and nutrition guidance helpful and motivating, especially for bodybuilding style training. Others complain about bugs, crashes, confusing navigation, paywalls before actually trying features, or poor customer support, including issues canceling subscriptions. Independent discussions on Reddit also reflect this split. Some users enjoy the pre-built program, while others say the app still needs polish and better support. Most advanced features require a paid subscription, and critics warn you can't see much before paying, a red flag if you expect a free trial or freemium experience. The final verdict: the STNDRD App is legit, not a scam, but it's not perfect. It works as a structured workout platform, but bugs, subscription paywalls, and mixed customer support means it's best for serious users who know what they're signing up for and aren't after a freebie. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.